Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. In the previous video, we learned operators in Python. Today, in day 4, we are going to learn conditional statements. Conditional statements help us make decision in programming. Let's get started. In today's class, we are going to cover if statement, if else statement, elif statement, nested if, and real world examples. By the end of this section, we will know how Python make decision. What is a conditional statement? A conditional statement is used to execute code based on a condition. It checks whether a condition is true or false. If the condition is true, one block of code runs. If it false, another block may run. This is the foundation of decision making in programming. If statement. This is a basic if statement. Here, Python checks whether age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is true, it prints eligible to vote. If the condition is false, nothing happens. Now let's run this program. Age equal to. Here, Python checks whether age is greater than or equal to 18 and it's equal to 18, so it's printing eligible to vote. Now let's learn if else. Here, Python checks if the number is divisible by 2. If true, it prints even, otherwise, it prints odd. This is useful when there are two possible outcomes. If else program. Now let's test it. If I enter 8, it shows even. If I enter 7, it shows odd. Even and odd. So Python chooses the correct block based on the condition. ELIF stands for else if. It is used when we have multiple conditions. Here, if mark is 90 or above, result is A grade. If mark is 70 or above, the result is B grade. Otherwise, fail. This is useful for grading systems. So Python chooses the correct block based on the conditions. Nested if. Nested if means one if statement inside another if. Here, first Python checks age. Then inside it checks whether the person has a license. If both are true, it prints can drive. This is useful for multiple level checking. This is useful for multiple level checking. Real world example. This is simple login example. If the user if the username matches admin, access is given. Otherwise, access is denied. This is how real world login system works. Mini project. This is our mini project. It checks whether a person can vote or not. This combines user input and conditional statements. Simple and practical. Summary and next video. Today we learned if statement, if else statement, elif statement, nested if, real world examples. These are the basics of decision making in Python. In the next class, we will learn loops in Python. That's where we can repeat tasks automatically. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click bell icon. See you in day 5. Happy coding!